Medication reconciliation is the process of comparing a patient's medication order to all of the medications that the patient has been taking. Omymeds will be the mint.com of medication reconciliation. Errors may occur any time there is a patient handoff between two doctors caring for the same patient, between hospitals and pharmacies, from an urgent care site to a hospital or back to a treating physician, and between family members and friends caring for the patient. These errors have significant implications. To date, there have been many systems that try to help. Unfortunately, they all require the patient to manually enter all their medicines and manually change medications once prescriptions change. This is overwhelming for most patients and caregivers. Pharmacies and insurance companies are practically prohibited by law from effectively sharing medication information. Our system takes a different approach. Whenever a patient fills a prescription at a retail location or by mail, that record is available online. Once the patient permits us to access their records, we will pull medication records directly from websites using the patient's username and password. We do not need to establish direct relationships with retailers. We act on behalf of the patient, just like mint.com. The medication list is available to authorized users from anywhere. In an emergency situation, the medication list can be accessed even without a password that will maintain privacy using a personal key tag. The list is unique in that it shows only medication the patient has actually filled. The list automatically generates warnings about any unfilled prescriptions or drug-drug interactions. We will also offer a suite of premium services. For examples, members can purchase a calendar to make it easier for them to fill their weekly pill boxes. We will also help patients take control of their medications by providing a cheat sheet that will enable them to have an intelligent conversation with their doctors. omymeds is the only solution that can show an exact pill image, even if the pharmacist substitute a generic for a brand name, which often happens. So, who is our customer? During the pilot stage, hospitals will sponsor the service to a subset of frequently readmitted patients to avoid costly readmissions for which the hospitals will not receive payments under new Medicare rules. When we launch the service, we plan to partner with managed care practices for a small fee per user to reduce the efforts of their staff that are spent on medication reconciliation, as well as to self-insured employers and plans, since improved medication reconciliation will reduce hospitalization and other acute costs. At Scale Up, we will launch a free consumer version of the service sponsored by patient organizations and pharmaceutical companies. We will also offer a range of premium paid services to interested members. Thank you for your time, and we invite you to visit our website.